and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got an unboxing of a couple of goodies from you today that I've purchased from Etsy. Now one is a UK seller and one is a US seller, but they're both selling similar items, though they are different. So I'm going to start with the UK seller first. This arrived super quickly, so this seller is Dark Diamond Painting Company on Etsy, and it's Dark Diamond Painting is their Etsy shop. But I did see that they do wax. So I do get a Hershey's special dark chocolate and what looks like a couple of stickers. But this is what I ordered, is the wax. Now this is where I try and see if I can remember what scents I ordered, or if it actually tells. Oh, it tells me so much better. Okay, so these are little hearts of wax. If I remember rightly, they were about £5 each, but I will put links down below. This one is tangerine. Let me see if it smells like tangerine. It does. It does smell of tangerine. And they are little heart-shaped wax. Now, I'm not sort of doing any type of wax off or anything like that, but I am going to give these a go, and I'll be sure to mention in future videos, you know, anything I particularly notice. But we have a heart wax. I did order all the hearts. They do a few different ones that are theming, but I just really liked these little ones. There's only so much wax a girl can have. So this one is cut grass. Oh, that smells of cut grass, but the nice side of cut grass, not the wet and soppy side of cut grass. So that one's cut grass. And then last but by no means least, and these were all in stock and available, easy to get hold of, I got vanilla. I don't like too much intense scents. These aren't over the top. The scents are there, but they're not in your face. Oh, that smells really nice. That does smell clean and fresh, and that's sort of what I like. So yeah, this is Dark Diamond Painting on Etsy. This was something I decided to purchase myself to give it a go. And then I did purchase something that is, I've heard a bit more and more being raved about, and this was from Etsy in the US. Now, these are something that kept going out of stock extremely quickly. Now, I did message the seller to say, do you know when they're going to be going live? I.e., when you're going to be putting more up, so that I'm not constantly checking Etsy for no reason. They didn't get back to me. However, they did put a message on their Etsy saying when things would next go live. And they basically put two or three dates, one after the other, where they'd be putting these up. Now, the first date, I completely forgot. I was working, completely missed it. Fair enough. My fault, missed it. They sold out. Second day, I was there at the time, refreshing for, must have been an hour. It was one of those, I got stuck in a, I want to purchase this rut. Nothing happened, and then all of a sudden, the website updated to say that it would be the next day. So I messaged again saying, did I miss it? They told me I'd missed it. Everything had sold out within 10 minutes. However, if you've ever used Etsy and something is out of stock, you can actually see the sales from a store, and it will tell you when it was last sold. And not a single thing was sold on the day that she told me they'd sold out in 10 minutes. So, gave the benefit of the doubt, thought it could be a glitch, got a sale to go through. No, website updated with the sales from that day, but not from the day that she told me. So I have very, very mixed reactions about the customer service from this company. However, I have heard good things about the product. So, while there are reservations, it is something that I am going to give a go. So, they say thank you for our support. All that, yeah, I'm not even going there. Okay, so basically these are called Pretty Places. They're not cheap, and they're not cheap to ship to the UK, which of course the shipping side of things is not the seller's fault. But these are not cheap, but they are a diamond painting crayon. They are like a scented wax, so it's the same sort of thing. But these are, you can sharpen just like a crayon for picking up the likes of your A/B drills. So it does say a light touch is recommended. And it says if you do press hard, we suggest not sharpening your crayon too much, because a duller tip and not a pointy one can withstand more abuse. So it's definitely something I'll give a go. I did pick up one for me and one for Megan to try, and I thought these I would try more so with A/B drills, because A/B drills can be, hang on, what flavour was this one? So this one is cashmere sheets. Maybe. And this one is mint. They smell very similar. No, there is some mint in there maybe. And these were sort of a Valentine type thing that they had. So yeah, we've ordered 2 of these. We'll see how good they are or aren't. I'll also let you know how good, of course, the UK company is as well, for those that are in the UK, because this is definitely the cheaper option in regards to shipping for those that do live in the UK, though of course these will be cheaper shipping for those that live in the US. But I just thought I'd show you wax that I'm going to be testing out over the next however long. I'm going to take these all out the packets because, you know, we need a nice thumbnail for this video. So it'll be nice to get a nice picture. But of course, these can be stored in their little packets in between. So yeah, we've got dark diamond painting in the UK, and then we've got Pretty Places for the US. If you know, I mean, they do say that you can use these for all diamond painting, regardless of whether it's ABs or not. And that is something that I might try. However, I really like my acrylic pens, so I don't think I would want to go to just using a crayon from now on in. I do think that I will use these primarily for ABs where the wax can struggle, whereas these I will use in my pen instead of the other type of wax, and see how much better it is or isn't. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.